Welcome to our channel. Enabling two-factor authentication on your Medicaid portal account adds an extra layer of security to protect your sensitive health information. Follow these instructions to set up two-factor authentication for better account security and accessibility. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to your state's Medicaid portal website. Each state has its own portal, so search for your state Medicaid login to find the correct site. Step 2. Log in to your Medicaid account using your current username and password. Step 3. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or account name in the top right corner of the page. Step 4. Navigate to Account Settings, Security Settings, or Profile Settings from the menu. Step 5. Look for the Two-Factor Authentication, or 2FA option in the security settings. Step 6. Click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication, or Set up 2FA. Step 7. Choose your preferred two-factor authentication method. Most portals offer options like SMS text messages, email verification, or authenticator apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Step 8. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen method. If you select SMS, enter your mobile phone number. If using an authenticator app, scan the QR code displayed on screen. Step 9. Enter the verification code sent to your phone or generated by your authenticator app to confirm the setup. Step 10. Save or enable backup codes if offered. These codes can be used to access your account if you lose access to your two-factor authentication method. Step 11. Test the two-factor authentication by logging out and logging back in to ensure it works properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.